a toll on everyone. They say time is merciless. It won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out. I can't figure out what to say.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you plenty of cleaning motivation because you guys, I started cleaning off just a little bit of this kitchen and it turned into an extreme clean with me. It's been quite a few months since I deep cleaned this kitchen, you guys. And normally, especially when you have a really white kitchen, the white cabinets normally get really dirty, and any kind of dirt that gets on there, you can definitely see. So my cabinets were dirty, sticky, and dusty, so I wanted to tackle that in this video. So I used some Pine Sol with some warm water to wipe down all of the cabinets. I prefer to do it that way because it's just easier than constantly spraying with a spray bottle. Cleaning this kitchen has been on my to-do list for a while. I did not like wanting to do it while the kids were at home, but I have no choice. The kids going to be home for the next few months till they go back to school in August, fingers crossed. But I needed to get this done. I think the last time I cleaned this kitchen was right before we went into quarantine. I think like the week before. And normally I wipe down the cabinets either every month or every other month, and it's been like 3 months now. And that cabinet right there that I'm wiping down, since it's right over top of the stove, that one gets super dirty, and I mean like greasy. It turns orange, so I had to wipe down very well because it was full of grease, but at the same time, because I haven't wiped it down in so long, it was also like dust stuck on with grease.
Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise will never change. So are you gonna let me love me with my flaws?
We'll also be wiping down the counters, especially behind the jars. There was food there, stuck on food, and it was super dusty, so I made sure to wipe everything well. Also, the jars were very dirty with food.
We will never fall. Promise, now are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall, never fall. Promise me, promise.
So what I decided to do here is move my KitchenAid. Since it's been a while since I've used it, I just put it inside of the pantry instead. And then I put my plants, well, it's not really plants, my herbs, to grow here in this corner since I have some lighting and it will help it grow. Right here I have dill and cilantro and basil. And I don't know which one is the one that's growing right there because I moved the jars around and I can't remember which one is which. So I'll figure that out once it starts to grow.
Busting down, there's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. Well, we're all built and right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. Stand by you when you're falling.
I wanted to remind you guys, don't forget to hit that like button because it helps support my channel.
I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah, yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free. Yeah. And it won't take a lot. Your fragile soul will soon be strong.
Comment down below, when was the last time you cleaned that vent filter thing? Comment down below if you also know the name of this thing. But what I use here is just Dawn dish soap and some baking soda, and I let it sit there with some hot boiling water.
Said I love you forever. We can make it together. Hey, we can make it. Yeah. We can make it if we try.
I'm getting it lately. A lot of bad vibes.
Right here, I'm having my husband help me take the glass part off my lighting thing here, whatever you call that. And because it's super dirty, it's greasy, and it's actually orange because it's been quite a few months since I last cleaned it.
Tell me why.
So I definitely got a good workout on this day because I could not feel my right arm, y'all.
Won't somebody show me 'cause I'm lost. I'm ready to learn. Yeah, to learn. So baby, what in the world went wrong? Oh, how could we get this far from what we had? Why did we lose that So what in the world went wrong? I wasn't ready to face that song.
They're pretty easy to clean. This is the stuff that came off from my lights. Only thing I used was some Dawn dish soap.
Got a soldier on, stay strong. Won't somebody tell me what went wrong? Won't somebody tell me what is gone? Won't somebody show me 'cause I'm lost. I'm ready to learn. Yeah, to learn. So baby, what in the world went wrong? Oh, how could we get this far from what we had? Why did we lose that So what in the world went
Once I finished cleaning them up, we dried them off right away, and then my husband put them back for me so we could turn the lights back on because it was a little too dark for me. I have another question for you guys. When was the last time you cleaned the inside of your dishwasher? I try to clean it at least once a month, but it doesn't always happen, and I could definitely tell the difference when I don't clean it because you could start seeing the mold grow in there. At least for me, baking soda and vinegar does not work, at least in my dishwasher, because it does not get rid of the mold, but the bleach definitely does. So I try to scrub the areas that needed scrubbing before I use this new product.
What is wrong?
7 days and 7 hours.
It's my first time actually using this Finish dishwasher cleaner, and y'all, I will definitely be getting some more because it did an amazing job in my dishwasher. It's a one-time use thing. You take the sticker off the top and you put it in the dishwasher upside down and it cleans. Needed to wipe this area very well because this is where the trash can normally is, and you will definitely see food splatter on that wall. And this wainscoting gets very dusty, so it needs a very good wipe down. So the baseboards in this area was super dirty. Even with wiping it down, it still looked dirty. So I wanted to spray some bleach on there and use the brush to clean it very well. And that worked really good.
Trust my intuitions. I'm gonna take a deeper breath. I'm gonna think about how some things are best unsaid.
Well, I have to say one of my favorite things about cleaning the kitchen is cleaning the inside of the sink because I find that so satisfying.
As I stare into the maze, why do people act like strangers? I'll fade away. Life is so on the highway.
I had my son David sweep for me because y'all, I was so tired. I just wanted to finish. So the last thing I needed to do was mop this floor.
Waiting for another day. With every breath I take, I go there. To the place where I can feel. I can begin to see the outlines. I'm wide awake. Life is so on the highway.
Will be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this clean motivation. Right after I finished mopping, it started to pour down rain, so it got really dark in the kitchen. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.